So we've got our first haul video for Amazon haul. What's in the box? A while back I mentioned that Amazon had a new thing called Amazon Haul that was competing against some of the cheaper websites and apps online, but also making deals with other companies to try and get a good price for shoppers. And I said I might do a video if people are interested. Well, there was enough interest. We've gotten numerous things from them for unbelievable prices. Some things that you won't see in this video is the insane amount of stuff that my wife was able to get as far as clothing and shoes, saving hundreds and hundreds of dollars. So let's open it up. As you can tell, I've already opened up the box. The reason being is not all of it will ship at the same time. We ended up getting like 7 deliveries. So I've been collecting this stuff as it's come in to show you all in the video. So I already opened these up. These are some silicone coasters. There were 6 of them all together. It's kitchen utensil set. Sticking on the cooking theme here. This Empanada Maker. I got some a little while back from Temu and they were little. This one here was exactly what I was looking for when I got it. I've been wanting one of these since I saw them come out a while back. It's a carabiner, but it's not just any carabiner. Like any camping tool, it has to come with some kind of a whistle. Locking carabiner, which is really good. Bottle opener. Everything has to have a bottle opener on it. A glass breaker. A utility cutter. Easy to close. It also comes with a simple flathead and Phillips screwdriver. Absolutely love this. This little belt attachment has a spot for your cell phone, 2 zipper parts with a pocket in it, 2 total zipper parts with 2 pockets. I got this here because if you don't know yet, I love cooking outside and grilling. And I keep seeing these baskets for cooking, putting your vegetables in and cooking. So I got this, decided to use that. You'll see it in future videos, I'm sure. This here, I was really excited about this one also. If you ever saw the Temu backpacking stove video that I did, that little backpacking stove I have is great, but it's small. It doesn't hold up well to any kind of pot. It's definitely for that smaller backpack cooking use. For this here, there's a much larger burner that will accommodate larger pans, skillets, etc. However, it does not have a push button starter on it, so you probably have to use a lighter, some kind of source. So we'll definitely be testing this out in a video soon. This 800 thread count RV sheet set. I believe it comes with pillowcases also. I couldn't believe this was $1. We really didn't need it, but it was hard to pass up for $1. This seems to be a rite of passage for people that want to make some kind of a camping gear video. I've looked at them forever. I don't expect the functionality to be amazing, but I like it. It's a cute little tool. Has its own little carrying case. That's right, the little baby hammer. It has a little cutter on here. It has a little saw. There's another little saw with a little Phillips head on it. A bottle opener, which you always have to bottle opener. Now you have those little baby pliers. Anyway, how good will it work? I don't expect great things on it. It does have a little bit of weight to it, so maybe it could be effective. And then last, you probably think I'm funny, but I saw this and I had to get it. Have you bought anything from Amazon Haul? Have you heard of Amazon Haul? Let us know down in the comments. This is the last thing on this haul that we got, so let's check it out. It's a fleece blanket. And of course, it's got the man, the myth, maybe the woman, the myth, the legend,